Guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to connect WIX website to Shopify. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, to be able to connect Shopify and WIX, we will have to use one of the apps that is found in Shopify. Now, you will be able to connect both of them from Shopify's end, but for WIX to Shopify, I don't think there's a method for that, so we will be focusing on Shopify for today's video. Now, what you need to do is, of course, log into your account. After that, you're going to look through over here on the left side, and you're simply going to click on Add Apps, and we will be able to find the app that we need to be able to connect both Shopify and WIX together. Now, over here, as you can see, these are the different apps available right now, but right now the app that we are looking for isn't going to be found here. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to select this option, Shopify App Store. We're simply going to select this, and then you will be redirected to another page. So this page will display all the different apps that are currently found that are designed for Shopify itself. So all the apps here are specifically designed to be functional and help you experience a better functionality and a better experience with Shopify and give you with extra features of the different things. Now, what you're going to search is you're going to have to click over here on the top, the search bar. Simply click this and search for Shopify WIX migration. You're going to have to select this, and we will be able to see the different results of the different applications that are corresponding to the search. Now, that applications that we are going to be looking into today is called Lit Extension Store Migration. So simply look for the specific app over here, and when you open this, let's open this one over here, you will be able to see that you will be able to migrate to Shopify from WIX using this application over here. This is absolutely free to install, and you already know that this is great because there's a total of 231 reviews, and there's a rating of 4.9, which is really high. And as you scroll down, you will be able to see information about this specific app. And as you can see, this will allow you to migrate store data automatically and securely from 140 e-commerce platforms, including WIX. And there's no technical skills needed, as you can see here. These are the different things that you need. You will be able to bulk import data using Excel, Google Sheets, CSV files, or database file. There's 3-step setup, no technical skills required. And over here, there's also additional options like 301 redirects, SEO or URL migrations, and many more. So let's go ahead and install this specific app, and let's simply click on install over here, and we will be able to install this into our Shopify store. Now let's see the process of how we will be able to set up this Lit extension. Now after that, we will be redirected to this page over here after we select the install option. As you can see, it is asking us for authentication or authorization to be able to install the specific app into our Shopify store. So simply click on install app over here on the top right, and we will be able to install the specific app into our Shopify. And let's see the next step for installing this. And as you can see, we now have to do a setup. These are the different steps that we have to do. You have to set up, free migration, full migration, and completed over here. So let's go and do it first. Over here, as you can see, we have our cart type. We can select this, and you will be able to see all the e-commerce platforms that are available right now over here. So simply search for WIX. There we go. We have WIX over here. So simply select that, and we will be able to now have that as a source cart type. Then you can simply put in your source cart URL over here, your admin email and password. So basically your WIX account, you're going to have to log in or put the information over here in the setup as well. After that, you will be able to see you have your target cart type, which is right now Shopify. So simply put in the information necessary over here. So depending actually on the website that you have created in WIX over here, you're going to have to create a website that is a store, of course, because Shopify is a store. So you're going to have to find your website that is also a store to be able to connect them. So let's go and look for the information that we are trying to look for. If we are able to find that right now, the source cart URL. So orders, store product, inventory. So we can copy this, Ctrl C, paste it over here, then simply put in your admin email over here and then admin password. And after entering those information, simply click on next and configure your migration just like that. And you will be able to proceed to the next step. And right now, my information aren't working. There is an issue with my side, but that is how you will be able to connect them. Simply put in the necessary information, the proper information, of course, the proper admin, the proper password to be able to continue with extension and the migration. And simply use this extension or app to be able to connect both Wix and Shopify together. And I believe you will be able to do this part on your own. I'm just suggesting or telling you that this is the application that you need to work with. There's also other applications out there, of course. There's like this Wix migration app by Cart to Cart and the other options over here. But this one, the Life Extension Store Migration, is the one with the highest and with the existing review for this specific application. So the others don't have a review, so I suggest that you use this one only. And after you are able to enter the information, the proper information, after you proceed, you will now be able to migrate your Wix over here to Shopify. And keep in mind also, you are doing this on Shopify side. There is no way to do it on Wix side. So that is how you will need to do it. You will need to use and utilize the Shopify apps by using the add apps option over here. And then simply look for the keyword Shopify Wix migration and select the live or lit extension store migration over here and enter the proper information to be able to connect both Shopify and Wix. And so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.